Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to set up Notion on your phone. First, head over to your phone's App Store, whether it's the Apple App Store or Google Play, and search for Notion. Download and install the official application. Once installed, open the app. You'll then have the option to create a brand new account or log in using your existing Notion credentials. This initial step takes just a few moments to complete. Once logged in, you'll land on your Notion workspace. Take a moment to explore the sidebar, which provides quick access to all your pages, databases, and settings. You can easily switch between personal and any shared workspaces you might have. Consider customizing your home screen by pinning your most important pages for quick access, saving you valuable time throughout your day. Now, let's start adding content. To create a new page or database entry, simply tap the plus icon located at the bottom of your screen. Notion offers a wide array of block types, from simple text and headings to checklists and images, allowing for rich content creation. You can easily organize your information by nesting pages within others or linking to existing databases, keeping everything tidy and accessible. One of Notion's greatest strengths is its seamless synchronization. All the changes you make on your phone are automatically saved and updated across all your devices in real time, ensuring you always have the latest version. You can also easily share pages with colleagues or friends for collaboration, setting specific permissions to control who can view, comment, or edit your content. It's incredibly efficient for teamwork.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.